New canteen doesn't fit. What do you do? Stay tuned. What I did was, I'm starting to get all the equipment together again and see what we can do for improvements, what we can do for some new equipment, maybe lose a little bit of weight, not only myself, but on canteen and on the things that I carry with me in the backpack. So that backpack's getting heavy, but then I want to carry everything I can instead of trying to be lightweight. So I ordered in some new Nalgene canteens. They are good canteens. They're 32 ounce. And wow, I really like them. Figured, okay, I get my old canteen, stainless steel everything. I really like stainless steel, it's good. But look what happens. Doesn't fit. It's the way it is. Nature of the beast. Okay, so what do? Don't panic. You can still use this if you want. Quite frankly, I'm kind of getting tired of the stainless steel canteen. It has its purpose, but it has a smaller opening, not like some of the newer style specially made canteens that have a large wide opening. You can find them in a Pathfinder school and other places that sell them. They're good canteens, but these smaller ones, they've had their day. They've had a good run. So what I want to do is, now you're looking at here, if you wanted to buy this setup, about $30. Stainless steel canteen cup and stainless steel canteen, about $30. About $30 got invested there. These here, I forgot what they were, $8.95. Ordered in several of them. Coyote brown, forest foliage color, and I was hoping just to switch them over and everybody's happy. Can't do it. So what I did was quickly go through here is got back on the great Amazon and I was looking for things that would fit. Okay, I found at Rothco stainless steel. I'll put the UPC numbers and everything up here for you shortly. Canteen cup. And it comes with a lid. I believe this is about $15.95, maybe a little bit more, depends upon where you get it. The lid fits on here very well. It will go ahead and snug down. Now, if you go ahead and boil water in here, don't have the lid on unless you have holes in it. Let me find something here. Stanley. Now Stanley, different design, yes. The whole point of this is it has some holes in the lid where you can go ahead and put this on there to prevent any debris, if it starts to get windy, from going into whatever it is you have in here, water, soup, what have you. So if you just put this on here, start boiling water in it, or soup or something of that nature, it's going to blast off into outer space. It's going to pop up. It's going to make a big mess. So basically just drill some small holes right here around the edge, clean it up, make sure there's no burrs or loose metal, everything's cleaned and washed up, then you go ahead and use that. Okay, so anyway, here's a cup. Let's get back to the cup. Fits good. The old one fits too. So your cup's got to be a little bit bigger. It will fit in your old canteen carrying case, canteen cup and carrying case. So just to show you here, and also too, I like the handles that come with this. So about $8.95. This here's about $15, I believe. And it's like, okay, I've got this going. What am I going to cook on? Okay. What do we got here? Jomo Lander Canteen Cup Stove. Now this baby here has cost about $20. I know, you're already up, getting close to 50, getting close to 40. Alright, here it is. You go ahead, put that on there. Canteen cup, light twigs in there. You could use other fuel instead of twigs and start a little fire. You can carry along those little fuel sticks and fuel things, whatever works. Well, I wonder if this will fit. As long as I turn it right, it will. There you go, it fits. It all nests together, takes up less room. Now put this out for a second. You grab your canteen carrier. Put that baby in there. Now you figure, where are you going to put this? You can find a way to stuff it. You stuff it in the front, the outside, you stuff it in the back. You could carry it inside, but you want to put that new canteen cup you've got, right? Canteen in the new cup fits right in there. You can button it up, no problem whatsoever. Now, if you put it in the front, it's going to take up a little bit more room, and you can't button it together. So, stuff that baby in the back. Then we'll pull that over there. Pull that over there. It'll work fine. Get everything properly proportioned. Everything fits. So you can use your old canteen carrier. You can put your water purification tablets or whatever else you want to in here. Strap that onto your belt. Carry a belt if you use that type of system for short distances. You've got your canteen stove, your canteen cup, plus your water. Obviously, it's plastic. You cannot boil anything in there. But it's a little bit lighter than the stainless steel one. It's a little bit better. And it's for short trips. Now, there's different systems out there in the market you can get, from a round to a square to a larger canteen like the Pathfinder School has, and a few other manufacturers, and with the wide tops. Those are real nice. So now what you need are these numbers. I'll go ahead and put these numbers up on the screen. This is for the canteen cup set. Comes with the canteen cup, and the lid will fit these Nalgene bottles. And that's what's great about it. Alright? Now, you need the stove. Where's the stove? The stove is over here. This is one thing too you're going to need. Joe Molander Canteen Cup Stove. It's one about $20. And yes, unfortunately, these things are made in China, but sometimes you can get some pretty good deals, pretty good quality equipment made in China. In this case, you have no choice. These things are made outside of the United States. No problem. The price is up there a little bit, I think, but this is what you're going to need. If you want to get rid of this, even if you wanted to get rid of your old plastic one, which a lot of these here do need to be replaced from time to time.